So when the product falls, that's when your dough is ready to do the filling. Okay, it should fall automatically off the belt, and this is how you can tell that your dough is ready. This is good quality dough, and it falls off perfectly without using too much flour. You see, stacking here nicely. Now when you see that the dough is like this, you can press on the dough filling screw and the filling pump, and then that's when the product will start filling. So this is just an example for you to know when the dough is ready to work with the machine. So here we're getting ready for a little demonstration of our Samoza machine. Just wanted to show you the sample of the product that we're putting. Some chunks of potatoes, some carrots and peas, and even some other green peas here that you can see right there. Okay, and now we're gonna put that into the hopper. Okay, and you see how it looks there in the hopper. Just for the example, just touch that product there, just so that you can see the chunks there. Yeah, so big chunks, okay? So we already have a sample dough in here, and the dough, once you put it in, it's automatic, it feeds itself. You do not need to press the dough. And over here is the dough thickness, and in this tube the filling comes out. This is a large tube that is good for the big chunks, and over here is how you adjust the thickness. This one goes all the way to the back, and this one adjusts the thickness of the dough, so that's adjustable. And then we have the little flour there, and we can control the flour. Right now I'm going to turn on, we already have the dough. I'll show you an example. Okay, so that's the dough, and we can control the thickness. Good thickness there, and the filling is going to come out this way. So now I want to see the filling to come out, and the filling, that's it there, and it's going to start going through here. As soon as you start seeing go through there, it's going to go through the pipe. There it is, going through there, and now it's going to go through the pipe. And when it comes out through the pipe, I'll stop it and advance the dough a little bit. Okay, so that's the first batch. You can see the big chunks coming out. That's a good example there of the quality. See, it's not mush, it's big chunks. And now I'm going to advance the dough a bit. All right, and we'll do a little bit more. Okay, and now I'm gonna close the mold. Okay, and now we're going to start the dough and the mold. Okay, and now we're gonna start the filling. That's how it's coming out without the filling. I haven't turned it on yet, but this is how it's supposed to come out without filling. Nicely shaped. You see it come out nice. Okay, and now it's ready for me to start the filling. And the screw, I'm going to do that right now. Both on. It's now going to start. And here it is, nice and full of chunks. Now this is excellent quality there. Everything keeping. Look at that, really. This is actually the medium size Samoza. You can see that they're coming out nice and cut, holding its shape. And we can do custom sizes, custom shapes. We're gonna cut this here so you can see that it keeps the product without crushing. Okay, you got there all nice big chunks for the customer that likes the big chunks. Even carrots
and beans.
and beans, all types of products. Okay, as you can see, the machine is running by itself. No one is maintaining this part over here. As long as this is full, as long as the filling is full, the dough is full, the machine will continue to operate. Okay, and this is just a small sample of the quality of this machine. It produces hundreds of samosas per hour. And you can get the specs on our website, but you can see that the quality is very, very, very good.
If you would have spices and everything, you could have it.
Go. Here we're showing you that the knife is cutting, and you see the big chunks of the product. Yeah. Here we are doing a sample of cooking in our test kitchen, one of the samosas. They have a beautiful color, they're not breaking, and that's also because of the adjustment and the ability that we can control the thickness of the dough for our samosas.
Video
So over here is our medium mold, and the measurements for this one is 80 by 80 by 90, and we want to show you how it came out. This was just recently fried, and you see that it has beautiful seals nicely, gives a nice homemade look, nicely sealed. Filling is amazing, great product, great output. Okay, this is just a small sample of how it looks, and that's about 49 grams, so very good quality there. Over here, after cooking, we're cutting it, and you see, and this is how it looks. Chunks, nice and thick, and you see the quality there. Beautiful.